One of the major features in education transformation will be the refurbishment of our public learning institutions, nursery, primary, secondary, and special needs. We want to reflect brighter, more attractive spaces that incorporate technology, are climate resilient, and have fresh green spaces that make it exciting for teaching and learning. Meet the architects, whose concepts will be used in this refurbishment process. We asked Kevin Brown of Formwork Architecture, Inc. to illustrate his favorite element of the design.
The favorite part of the design for me is, for all of us, I think, is the skin module that transforms the box that we conventionally or traditionally regarded as a classroom. So we've used the skin module to not only reimagine the space by moving the students out to the peripheral, and not only to respond to the sustainability aspects of like wind and solar and stuff like that, but we've also embedded in the skin all of the information technology apparatus that is congruent with the school for the modern era. So that's and it allows us to also chase a very different aesthetic as well. So that's definitely our favorite part of the design.
What does he hope their design concept inspires most in the learning process?
We want to kind of push, along with what the Ministry of Education said, we want to push students towards a project-based learning. So as I said before, the skin has the information technology apparatus embedded with it. We move the students out to the peripheral, and that frees up the interior of the classroom for more project-based learning. So we want to see schools in Barbados go towards that mode of learning, which is project-based, hands-on, and then interfacing with technology, which is currently lacking in much of our schools.
And what current missing need does he believe their design concept has addressed?
Well, precisely what we said before, the focus on project-based learning and the interfacing with new modern technologies. So we know the schools that currently exist were designed according to a particular ideology and pedagogy of yesteryear, but we're now in the 21st century and we need to move our schools towards a more modern pedagogy and project-based learning initiative. So that's what's missing. That's what we sought to address in our design.
Refurbishing our schools, refreshing our education. This is education transformation, creating a bright future for every child.